Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about an important tool to help keep your browsing experience safe and secure, the Malwarebytes Browser Guard extension for Google Chrome. If you care about your online security, stay tuned as we explore how this extension works and why it's a must-have. Malwarebytes Browser Guard is a free Chrome extension designed to protect you from various online threats, including malware, scams, phishing sites, and trackers. It acts as a guard for your web browsing experience, blocking harmful content before it reaches you, keeping your personal information safe. In today's digital world, cyber threats are everywhere. From malicious websites to phishing scams, there's always a risk when you're online. Malwarebytes Browser Guard aims to reduce that risk by preventing harmful websites from loading and alerting you to potential threats in real time. Installing Malwarebytes to Browser Guard is quick and simple. Here's how you can do it. Open your Google Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Malwarebytes Browser Guard. Click Add to Chrome, and I confirm the installation. Once installed, you'll see the Malwarebytes icon in your browser toolbar. Malwarebytes Browser Guard works silently in the background. When you visit a website, it scans the page for potential risks like malware, phishing attempts, or trackers. If it detects anything harmful, it blocks the website and shows you a warning, allowing you to avoid the danger. It also has customizable settings so you can tailor it to fit your needs. You can enable or disable certain features, like blocking trackers or phishing protection, depending on your preferences. In conclusion, Malwarebytes Browser Guard is a powerful tool to keep your online experience secure. If you're looking to stay safe while browsing, this extension is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up